Are you tired of doing the same clicks again and again on your Mac? Maybe you're trying to automate a game, speed up repetitive tasks at work, or just want your Mac to click automatically while you relax. Good news. There's a free app on the App Store that does exactly this. Just open the App Store and search ClickBot Auto Mouse Clicker. Let me show you how to set it up in less than a minute. Just open the App Store and search ClickBot. Let me show you how to set it up in less than a minute. Once you install ClickBot, Auto Mouse Clicker, when the app opens, the first thing you'll see is a simple panel where you can configure your auto clicking. When ClickBot opens, you'll see a message. You need to give the app the permission of input monitoring. Click Go to Setting. This takes you to the input monitoring list. Find ClickBot and turn on the toggle. If prompted, click Quit and reopen. Input monitoring allows the app to read keyboard and mouse events. This is necessary for auto-clicking. Turn on display key press to see keys as you press them. Enable keyboard press to display letters, numbers, shift, and command keys. Enable mouse click to show left and right clicks. Customize text color and fill color. This feature is perfect for tutorials, screen recordings, and teaching shortcuts. Set the click interval in milliseconds or seconds. Choose the click type, left, right, or middle. Select repeat options. Repeat X times or until stopped. Set hotkeys for start and stop. Move your cursor and press the start hotkey to begin auto-clicking. Enable cursor. Pick a cursor style. Ice cream, cat, arrow, or butterfly. Turn on keyboard sound to hear key presses. Turn on mouse click sound for left and right clicks. Adjust the volume. This is ideal for ASMR typing, tutorials, or interactive recordings. Pick a scroll direction, up or down. Choose the scroll speed, slow to fast. Use a hotkey to start and stop scrolling, and that's it. You now know how to download, install, and fully configure ClickBot, Auto Mouse Clicker for Mac. You also know how to use every tool inside it. If this helped you, like the video, leave a comment for more Mac tools, and subscribe for more tutorials.